Alright, if you've already had a go at this question and found it really hard, just take comfort in the fact that this is my second attempt at this question, and I think I'm going to end up with a third. So, I'm going to start off by divvying up all the triangles in here. So I've got the triangle PQB. This angle is beta, this height is h, this length is y. And I've got the triangle PAQ. PQA. Oh, and this was a right angle. So this length was x, this angle is alpha, and this is also h. I've got this triangle from the front, not a right angle triangle. So this is PBA. I know this is theta, but that's kind of all I know. And I've got the triangle on the bottom. If you're looking, it's a bird's eye view, it's the one you'd see. So this is Q, this is A, and this is B, and this is Y, and this is X, and this is a right angle. Okay. So for question A, if we want an expression for X, we look at our purple triangle. We know tan alpha equals H on X, which means cot alpha equals X on H, which means X equals H cot alpha. And we're going to do something really similar for beta. So tan beta, this time we've got H on Y, which means cot beta is Y on H, which means Y equals H cot beta. Question B wants us to figure out cos theta. And now if I were just to look at that green triangle and straight away try and come up with an expression for cos theta, it would be cos theta equals PB squared plus PA squared minus AB squared over 2 times PB times PA. Now, we don't know PB, PA, etc., but we can come up with an expression for them. So AB is this one. PB is this one. And PA is this one. Now, if we look at AB, we know AB squared is x squared plus y squared. We know PB squared is h squared plus y squared. And I know PA squared is h squared plus x squared. So then I've got cos theta equals, well, I don't need, I'll put them in brackets, h squared plus y squared, and that's already PB squared, plus, and then PA squared, which was h squared plus x squared, minus, and now I've got AB squared, which is x squared plus y squared, all over 2 times PB, which would have been the square root of h squared plus y squared, times the square root of h squared plus x squared. Let's see what we get. So cos theta then is h squared plus y squared plus h squared plus x squared, take x squared, take y squared, all over 2, and then in the square root, I've got h squared plus y squared, h squared plus x squared. Well, I'm very close to having the answer it tells me I'm aiming for in the question. Because on the top, the x's and x, y squareds, they cancel out. So I've got 2h squared over 2 root h squared plus y squared h squared plus x squared, and obviously those 2's cancel out, so I get h squared over the square root of h squared plus y squared h squared plus x squared. And that's cos theta. And hence show that sine alpha sine beta equals cos theta. So, sine alpha, looking at the purple triangle, sine alpha equals h on PA. And similarly for sine beta is h on PB. So we've got sine alpha equals h on, now PA was the square root of h squared plus x squared. So that means sine beta, similarly, h over the square root of h squared plus y squared, which means sine alpha times sine beta, which is what they mean by sine alpha sine beta, you don't write the times, is going to be h over the square root of h squared plus x squared times h over the square root of h squared plus y squared, which gives us h squared over, and then don't forget, if you're multiplying square roots, you put them together, h squared plus x squared times h squared plus y squared, which is exactly what we got for cos theta. Whew. Yeah, that question was a bit of a nightmare.